Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon. Here we are again with another episode. We haven't been filming lately. Me and Jason were taking care of our business and our lives, and it's bloody hot.
Super hot outside.
Super hot, so we rarely even go out actually. It's too hot. Balancing that and work and riding.
Well, especially these type of bikes in the summer is just, I can ride it. I just, I don't know, just haven't been so much because of the heat.
Right.
And everything like that. But I mean, I guess it's not mostly the heat, it's also time mostly. I guess I'm finding excuses not to ride.
Yeah, it's the summer, right?
Yeah.
Trying to watch. We're in Japan, as you know. You're watching the Olympics, so things are very busy here. But we're here with another episode. Today, Jason, we want to put the CNC clip-ons.
Yep, we're gonna try and see if they fit. They're supposed to be a little bit wider of a stance for the V4R, which Ash here's a big guy, and usually the bigger guys need to have a little bit broader of a clip-on angle to be able to, I don't know, it just feels more comfortable, right? I think you're feeling a bit tight, right?
I'm feeling tight. We did a few modifications, me and Jason here. So let me just run it quickly. We added this seat to our bikes. So this is it's a plus 3 centimeters, so it's pretty high, just to give us a little bit of
show them the logo. It's from Race Seats.
From Race Seats.
It's
there
an
you
Italian
go.
company. It's a really
So
good.
we get one for him as well.
All of them are Race Seats on my bikes, even this one.
This is a kind of foam. It's a different.
Yep. This is HDM.
HDM, which is what, high density.
High density mousse.
And this is.
This is the same as yours. This is street neoprene. These are both made by Race Seats. They're custom made based on what I asked them to do, height and material. They can do anything. And also, the base of these seats are carbon fiber, which is really cool. So they're lighter than the stock seat.
Yeah. So that's that. And as he said, so me and Jason, we are like 180. So normally we want to have a little bit more of space when you ride a bike. And the idea this time is, probably you can show them.
The handlebar length.
Yeah. So look, we will have
a longer length. See, this is as long as this with the bar end on it. So what this will allow us to do is move everything a little bit outward to give them about another 2 centimeters, centimeter or two of a distance. So it'd be another centimeter or two, which would give them another 3 or 4 centimeters.
Plus it looks awesome.
Yeah, plus it's black. Yeah, so.
And I think it vibrate less, right?
Oh yeah, these are going to be solid, more solid than the stock ones.
So let's get going. Yes. Handsome Jason.
CNC
Look at
racing.
the tricep. Look at the triceps, boy. Oos. Okay, let's get it on.
Like in Edinburgh, cutting wires from the inside out. And when I put myself together again, I'm gonna move out of my parents' house. Every summer it's the same, and I know that I'm to blame. I'm gonna build myself a rocket ship out of shoelaces and Elmer's glue. And in the middle of a thunderstorm, I'm gonna roll it down the avenue. If you miss me while I'm taking off, I'm gonna call you while I'm on the move. parents' house. Every summer it's the same, and I know that I'm to blame. I'm gonna build myself a rocket ship out of shoelaces and Elmer's glue. And in the middle of a thunderstorm, I'm gonna roll it down the avenue. If you miss me while I'm taking off, I'm gonna call you while I'm on the moon. If you never hear my name, if you never see my face, tell me everything's okay. Well, I hope you're doing fine. Well, I hope you're doing fine.
Ryan Little.
sounds so worse, to be honest with you. I don't want it to be angled at all. But yeah, so we're trying to do definitely something angled. So
Ash is picky. He wants it to be exactly straight as he's writing.
yeah,
Which mine's even a little crooked.
So in our bike, so I don't know if you can see it. Let's put the tire straight first. So the tire now it's straight, okay? So if you can see it from the front, the tire is now straight. But if you look here, the steering damper is like this. Can you see it?
Yeah, we can, Ash.
Yes, we can, Ash. Can you see it? And for me, that annoys me a little bit. So we're trying to see what we can do in order to have, with the tire straight, this steering damper to be kind of horizontal. On his final edition, same thing. So if you look at straight, it looks, can you see it? Yes, Ash.
Looks a little slanted too over there.
Yeah, so now straight, on a straight stance. I don't like that, especially on track. But Jason said it's just a matter of habit. I think he said I have to get used to it. So that's what we're trying to do now, just to have some sort of balance between preferences. And so now he's trying to put the tire straight. Can you put it straight more? No, it's not straight. One more. Yep, now.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's close. But right now you have it to where you can turn. It's not hitting that right. You can turn here.
Yeah, which is fine.
I mean, we can make it a little bit to where right here.
I don't need. I mean, this is perfect for me. I think in terms of turning. And the other side? The other side is no problem.
No,
I guess, right?
That's bottom.
And when the tire is straight. See, let me sit on it. Let me sit on it. Now the tire is straight, right?
Yeah.
So you see, it's kind of angled, slightly angled, but as I said, this is something, and as Jason said, something that we have to live with. Can you see it? I really don't like it, but again, to have a wider clip-ons, I kind of have to do some sacrifice there, so should be okay.
Yep, and with the other bracket that we have there, it's going to be too high, and with this bracket here, it's going to be a little too low.
So can you show the other bracket? So we have a CNC bracket that we tried.
Another one. Well, they're both CNC. This one's one that came with a different set that I bought. This one actually is made to go higher up on the base. This circumference, the diameter of this is bigger than the one on his, so this will fit around the top of the shock, like the top part, the fat part.
Yeah.
Like that, whereas the one that Ash got with these clip-on set is actually meant to fit around the bottom part, which is a bit, but like a 20,
yeah,
I don't remember, 28.
So this is straight. Can you see from the front, please? One last time, because like this, I'm okay with this.
Yeah, this is fine.
Really?
Yeah.
This is straight?
Yeah.
This is not straight?
That's not straight. But I mean, like I said, we might be able to move it a touch.
Okay.
Let's move it a touch and see, and then that's
okay.
it. Yep. I mean, it can't, the bracket, I don't think can go up any higher than it is.
I'm okay with that, I guess.
Yeah.
We haven't angled these yet, right?
Those, we would just turn them out or in more.
Okay.
But they're close to where they need to be.
Okay. Cool, man. Cool, I think that's it. We're gonna go with this.
Black looks better.
Much better. We're trying to do, Jason, is to put a washer, right?
A little tiny, like a very thin spacer, because you don't want to put something too big.
Under, right?
Yep. Underneath, it's got to be, because you need the bolt to be long enough to still bite. And
that's the one.
Yeah, let me see if I should put a longer bolt in there just in case, because you never know. Well, I don't need to tighten it down. This is just a test. So let's just do this real quick. Oh. I thought I had it, and I didn't. The sound of music, the musical rain.
Can't believe it.
Okay.
So the washer's not coming out, right? No. Looking good from here.
And from the front, it is pretty good, actually.
So we can see again with where is attached there.
Just to explain to everybody, it's the best case scenario for a steering damper is for it to be parallel with the mount. If this is at an angle, there's a chance that this washer is going to get squished out, the little rubber O-ring in there.
Right.
In order for this to properly work, everything's got to be perfect angles. And I mean, it'll work, but it's just, I don't know, it doesn't work perfectly, and there's risk, I guess, involved.
So that's what we did. We just minimized the risk by having that spacer there to elevate the steering damper. And now
Straight
see
goes-
again, straight again.
better.
Can you put the tire?
That's it.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah,
Much better than before.
It's not perfect, but it's 98% there.
Why is not
which
perfect?
It could go up a slight bit more.
Well, let's do it then.
Okay, I'll see if I got spacers. Let me make sure. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to hit anything if we raise it up. The only thing we'll have to worry about is adjusting this later, but that's not a big deal because it looks like it's touching here. Not a big deal. We could figure that out afterwards. All right, let me get a longer bolt. Okay.
Spacer under this, which was like 2 millimeters, I guess, or two, 4 millimeters. And in order to get it done there, we needed a longer bolt. So Jason was
nice enough to give
me a titanium
bolt.
Gold titanium, boys.
Just so
So
that's have one laying around.
That's fixed the situation here. So now all what needs to be done is a few adjustments about the angle and if everything is moving perfectly, and we're gonna wrap it up. One other thing we realize is these new CNC bars, they're I think a little slimmer, so the grips are a little bit loose.
So you need to get them tied.
Yeah. So and that's it. I'm gonna put everything back.
Spray glue.
Summer like in Edinburgh, cutting wires from the inside out. And when I put myself together again, I'm gonna move out of my parents' house. Every summer it's the same, and I know that I'm to blame. I'm gonna build myself a rocket ship out of shoelaces and Elmer's glue.